close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. On we'll go, finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest, echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I clean my washing machine, and I'm also going to try out some snacks. Yeah, it's my first time, and it turned out well. Yeah, I love it. That is it guys. In case you are new here, my name is Wilkista, and thank you so much for stopping by. And for my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. Welcome and welcome to this family. So guys, let's get into today's video. So before I start working on washing machine, I have to prepare breakfast. Yeah, and that is what I'm doing. Yeah, and in today's breakfast I'm going to prepare a snack. Yeah, they call it poof snack, and that is what I'm going to prepare. I think I pronounce it very well. Please just correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, and that is what I'm doing. Guys, let's get into it. So I have realized that making this snack is not a joke. Yeah, as you can see, yeah, I have seen so many YouTubers trying it out, and they really did a wonderful work. But with me, okay, because it's my first time, I don't want to lower down on myself, but it's really hard. Yeah, mostly on cutting part is really hectic. Yeah, that is it, and I really tried, yeah, my best. Please just rate my work. Yeah, just give me 1 out of 10 or 2 out of 10. Yeah, and I won't complain. Yeah, you have to start from somewhere and you go somewhere. So this is the beginning, and I hope to do the best next time. So that is it, guys, and that is how our breakfast looks like, and we really enjoy that snack with a cup of tea. So before I clean my washing machine, I had some few towels here, and I just want to do a laundry. And after that, I'll be cleaning this washing machine. So guys, stick around until the end. Please don't forget to leave a comment. Don't forget to share me out and to subscribe if you haven't.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
So it's time to clean the washing machine, and we have three parts that we have to clean. Yeah, first inside there is this rubber, that one Yeah, sometimes you can find some particles there like button kama ilikuwa imekatika, yeah, unaweza pata hapo some particle. Kama kuna kitu ilikuwa kwa mfuko unaweza pata sometimes ikiwa hapo. And the next is this soap dispenser. Yeah, as you can see it's very dirty and I'm removing it. Yeah, first you have to remove it and you clean it in a different part. Yeah, as you can see inside there it's really dirty and I have to clean it. Next it's this outside here, this rubber. Yeah, I also have to clean it to avoid some smell. So last but not least, yeah, it's down here. This is called filter. Yeah, you have to open it and inside there you can see there's something black. Yeah, you have to open it also and you'll find some particle there, and that is it. You will clean it. By the way, I'm going to use two ingredients. I'm going to use vinegar, white vinegar, and baking soda. Yeah, that is what I'm going to use to clean this washing machine. So that is it, guys. Let's clean this with you, and please just share with me, how often do you clean your washing machine? How do you clean it? And which product do you use to clean your washing machine? So that is it. Let's continue watching until the end.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my
So in this soap dispenser, I have to use a brush, yeah, a toothbrush, yeah, so that I can clean it very well, and it's not even getting cleaned. I don't know what to use. Guys, just recommend any product that I can use to clean these stains. Yeah, it's really hard and it's not even getting clean. Yeah, that is it, guys. Just leave a comment on the comment section which product I can use to clear up these stains.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So it's time to clean inside. Yeah, the drum itself. Yeah, I have to put this vinegar inside there, and as I put the baking soda earlier and I close it. Yeah, then I'll just put it here in the soap dispenser. Yeah, a little bit of it, and finally I'll just close everything and set up the machine. Yeah, and this machine has its own this part of drum cleaning. As you can see this there, yeah, down here, yeah, this there, as you can see, and it's going to run for 1 hour and 18 minutes, as you can see there. Yeah, and it's already running. Yeah, that is it, guys. If you watched my video up to this far, thank you so much. May God bless you. And for my premier gang, thank you so much. Thank you. I can't thank you enough. Yeah, God bless you and God bless you with your channels. So look at how our machine looks like after a deep cleaning. Yeah, that is how it looks like and smells fresh. So that is it, guys. Let's meet on my next video. Bye bye.